All right, I've put this thing to a lot of use with this snow we had. I think I got 21 hours on this thing, and 21.9 I think. But yeah, this thing is disgustingly dirty. But this thing has been through some work past few days. So I've added a flow control valve, a Stuff, S-T-U-A-F-F flow control valve for the upside, for the opening of this grapple arm. No, for the closing of this grapple arm. Just because I changed the attachment lever there, you can see in the center of that electronic, to an electronic actuated spool valve, and those are instantly wide open, unlike the levers where they are mostly proportional. This electric actuated spool valve for the center lever for the grapple attachment, when you press the button, it instantly goes wide open. There's no proportionality to it, so I had to add a flow control valve there that runs down and feeds. I've got it hooked up on the line that opens the grapple attachment. Yeah, to get me a little bit of proportionality to that thing. Let me show you. Otherwise, when you open this, when you hit the button and open this thing up, it instantly goes full blast. Instantly open, wide open when you hit the button. Wide open when you hit that. Close it. Goes down slower before that flow control valve. This thing would instantly go closed, so it gives me a little bit more functionality. But yeah, getting there, making some improvements. I also want to replace this. I have a Fahrenheit oil sensor, temperature sensor I'm gonna put in here. I got that, and yeah, I also got to get my side panels on with the counterweights, and got to get this fireball canister mounted somewhere. I think I'm gonna get it mounted over here like that, or maybe up on that side panel that I mount, maybe up that high. But yeah, also because I put these joysticks on, I had to raise up. I put 1/2 inch wash or spacers in here to raise these, I guess, hand rests, because it was hitting the hand rest was hitting this back here before I raised them up. So yeah, put me a couple spacers in there. Okay, but yeah, getting there.